But like I said, you're gonna have a starter strip. You're gonna get that on first. You're gonna get your tile started because you know you have a given width, so you'll know how you want to balance things out to get started around the whole
cupola, yeah.
And then when you get that first tile on, there's a clip that will hook that down on the top, so that roof doesn't have, you know, if you had a high wind going over you, that whole tin can't float. So there's clips for each tile. Once you get that clip, so the first one's going to get cut. It's going to get bent to the angle of the other roof. You got to have enough material left over after you make that bend that you can bend the lip back, so that when you finish, all ways around, you can make that final clip. And the way I see the seams getting hammered is you can start them bending down a little tighter with your duckbill pliers that I've got in the kit out there. I got more than one set, so you can actually squeeze that joint a little tighter if that's going to work for you when it comes time to take like a hardwood block and hammer that seam. So when you peel that roof off, you're going to want to have solid boards. So if you find you haven't got any,
well, we know there's some boards on the one side that are.
So and then when we're all done getting everything fit and hammered together, tile by tile, and then offsetting the next course and fitting everything, all the roof angles and the whole 9 yards, and getting everything hammered together and clipped down as we go. I don't know if it's going to be, because you're not going to solder those seams. So it depends on how tight they get sat mechanically, whether you have potential for leaking.
Right.
Well, you know,
how tight that
the
seam
other
is
option is to solder those seams like they used to do on the roof. But I think my father has all that stuff out in the garage, or I think all that stuff's still out in the garage if I did want to do something like that, but I don't see the need of it. I think if you make sure you got a solid roof, if you put some ice water shield on, even though that won't be totally antique, you're never going to see it again, but it's going to protect the structure.
So even if a piece blows off, you're going
to
have some protection.
Right. So you know, somebody like stand short, you know, you got a roof at an angle like this. You know, the tile when you start it, get it started right at the edge. You know, you got to have enough material. So you're going to figure that out. If that's a 1/4 inch bend lip that you're going to have, then you're probably going to have more like 3/4 of an inch material is where you're going to mark out beyond. You're going to bend that down, and then you're going to bend that lip back, depending on where you want your seam to fall. If you want it to fall on a flat, or you want it to fall right on the seam.
Yeah.
So right on the seam is probably going to be more like 1/2 inch material.
How thick is the sheet metal?
I think it's, I can't remember exactly, but it might be 24 gauge.
Okay, so
it's a little heavier than I couldn't tell how heavy that tin was when it started.
Yeah.
So I know it's heavier than that.
Okay.